So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Photoshop to make your own mood board using a range of skills such as layering, quick masking, resizing, and composition. I would like you to fill an A4 page with products you like, brands you like, foods, hobbies, different types of media such as TV shows, films, video games, and any particular music you like. If there's a band logo you particularly like, it's completely up to you. Just make sure it's all appropriate. So what I would like you to do is make a new file, go to print presets, select A4 and press create. Then I would like you to click on the gradient tool down here and double click to bring up some presets. I quite like the pinks, quite the subtle pinks down here. Hit OK. Now to apply it, you click and drag a line and then it creates a nice gradient background. So then I would like you to copy and paste some high-res images from the internet with plain backgrounds. So if I press Ctrl V, I've downloaded this strawberry cough Nike Dunk that I quite like. So I've just resized it there. I would like you to go to the fourth icon down, click on the magic wand, press select subject. Now you can see Photoshop is thinking and it's trying to figure out the edge of the trainer, which it's done a very good job of. You simply click down here, add layer mask, and you instantly get a masked image. I'm going to switch over to one I made earlier and I'm going to deselect all the layers to show you how I built up. So I put things like cinema, cherry coke, just zoomed out, and just a selection of things just to give you an example. And as you are layering the images, you could play around with where things are. You can rotate them, okay, you can resize them, and then if I wanted it behind this kebab, I would click and drag and put it behind. But you have to make sure that you name your the images that you've put on. So actually it doesn't look great there. So if I was to put that same strawberry dunk there, and then I was to select subject, that's the wrong one, so I'm on the wrong layer there. Let's try again. Select subject, make sure we're on the right layer. So it's layer 1, so it's really good to double click and actually call it what it is. So I'll type strawberry dunk, because the more you add, the more complex it becomes, and it's quite hard to find where you are in the document. Okay, so you could place it where you want. If you want part of it behind the controllers or behind these headphones here, what you would do is click and drag until it's behind the area that you want. So we don't want to hide the strawberry. Okay, so the idea is that you copy and paste all of these items that you see were on white backgrounds. You quickly select subject, you add the masking tool, and I would like you to resize and rearrange and make sure everything overlaps, and you've tried your hand at resizing and quick masking and working with layers. And please work on your composition as well. So some more important things might be bigger in the shot and some things might be smaller, but the idea is to fill a page with things that you like, so you're left with something that completely fills the page.